So I clicked on the word buy at the website, and a few days later a UPS truck pulls up in front of our house. And then I hear this package land on the doorstep. I love that sound. Now for the unboxing, the moment of truth, when you're eager to see if the product matches your expectations. Brand new motorcycle boots. I haven't sprung for a new pair in something like 10 years. These boots are called the Oxford Merton, and I can't wait to pull them on and take them for a ride. I currently have a pair of Harley-Davidson engineering boots and some touring boots, I believe made by Oxtar, that I've kept in action for many years with routine applications of shoe goo. That stuff works when you need to glue your soles and seams back together. At any rate, I've been looking for something new. In terms of style, the Mertons are designed like a classic leather work boot, incorporated with features for riding motorcycles. You find this style advertised as a casual urban street boot. I picked up the brown version with a distressed look to the leather. The Mertons are lace-ups, but you get a side zipper that helps with getting the boots on and off. I was sold on this feature as I hate fiddling with laces after a long day in the saddle. There's an extra layer of leather on the toe, on both the left and right. And the boots are reinforced with rigid protection around the ankles, the toe, and heel sections. I don't believe the boots are CE certified, however, in terms of protection, but I could be wrong. The sole features a rugged workman-style tread pattern, and Oxford claims that the boots are waterproof. The Merton does have a comfortable mesh lining, which I like thus far. It feels nice, and should wick up some sweat. These boots are a size 46, which equates to a US size 12, and the boot fits just right. Okay, so I've been riding up and down Old Freeze-Out Hill located near Emmett, Idaho. It is a semi-defunct route that was bypassed by a newer highway constructed years ago. The town of Emmett runs a motor race up this hill each summer and has done so for the past 54 years. The race is billed as the Freeze-Out Annual Hill Climb. So back to the boots. I'm anxious to see how the Oxford Mertons work out. They are easy to walk in and should be a good option for casual rides with some stops around town. I need to point out that the boots may be discontinued. There are other options, however, other brands that look very similar. So if you're interested, look around. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy trails.